semuanya, hari ini gue bakal ajarin dia bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah, what she just said.
So, how are you feeling?
Feeling good. I think I know what I got myself into.
Yeah, so last year, basically, I learned Vietnamese, and a year later, finally, I get to teach him my language. Okay, so he already knows a few words, so we're gonna start with that first. I'm gonna ask you questions. I'm gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna say things in English, and then you're gonna answer in Indo. Okay?
Alright. Are you gonna be easy on me in the beginning?
Yeah, it's easy. Okay.
Alright.
How do you say me?
Aku.
How do you say you?
Kamu.
How do you say mom?
Mom.
You know how to say mom?
Mama.
How do you say dad?
Papa.
Yeah. And then, how are you?
Apa kabar?
Yeah.
I can't roll the R though, so for all you Indonesian viewers out there, be easy on me, okay? Because homeboy can't roll no R.
So Indonesian is actually a fairly easy language. The only hard part is probably rolling your R's, which he...
Show them how you roll your R.
Apa kabar?
Yeah, like
You
what
say
she
it.
said. Apa kabar?
So yeah. Okay. So how are you? Apa kabar? What's thank you?
Terima kasih.
What's babe?
Babe. Sayang.
Yes. What is I want to eat?
Aku mau makan.
What's fried chicken?
Fried chicken. Okay, let's
This is important when you go to Indo and you want to go eat some street food.
I know fry is goreng. Chicken. Ayam goreng. Yeah, ayam goreng, yo.
What's fried rice?
Nasi goreng.
Yeah. What's beautiful?
You didn't teach me this.
Yeah, you do. You know what it is. Not yeah, you do. Yes, I did.
Cantik.
Yeah.
Cantik. Shout out to Samantha. She's the first one who taught me that word.
Okay. So we're gonna move on to words that you don't know. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Just quick disclaimer. This isn't like proper Indonesian. This is like day-to-day talk with your friends, sort of.
Yeah.
Okay, what's little sister or brother? You don't know.
No.
So like little sister or brother is adik.
Adik.
And then like older sister or brother is kakak.
Kakak. Oh.
If you want to add the gender, so like if it's a girl, it's so not proper. Cewek.
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 Cewek. Cewek.
Yeah, and if it's a guy, it's cowok.
Cowok.
Yeah.
Cowok.
Okay.
Alright. We got this, guy. We got this. Easy enough.
Yeah.
Ask me again in 5 minutes. I probably don't
But then
remember.
there's like the koko and then there's the chichi. So
Save it for the next
yeah.
one.
Anyways, okay. Do you know what handsome is?
No.
Ganteng.
Gantang.
Yeah.
Gantang. Aku gantang.
Yeah. I guess. So, I don't have any, I have a few more words. I feel like these are going to be funny. So, say katek.
Ketek.
Yeah.
What does that mean? You can't teach me.
No, okay, hang on. Ketek kamu bau.
Ketek kamu bau.
Ketek
Ketek
kamu
kamu
bau.
bau.
Ketek.
Ketek ketek kamu bau.
Yeah.
Ketek kamu bau. Ketek kamu bau.
It means you have stinky armpits.
Me? Like I have to be
No,
on
you
it?
do. I'm just saying if someone ever says that to you, then that's what it means.
It's okay.
And then this word, you will never use it, but it's just funny, and I want to see you try to say it. Diobok-obok.
Diobok. It's easy. What does it mean?
Oh, diobok-obok.
Diobok.
It's a song from like a kid back in the day.
Let's do it. How do you do it?
Diobok-obok airnya, diobok-obok.
Apa-apa air lagi apa-apa. Ada ikannya kecil-kecil macam apa.
And then lastly, we're gonna do a tongue twister.
Of course we gotta do a tongue twister. You gotta even it out, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do
So,
it.
Ular
Ular.
melingkar-lingkar,
You just lost me.
melingkar,
Melingkar.
lingkar
Lingkar.
di atas
Di atas.
pagar.
Pagar.
Ular
Ular.
melingkar,
Melingkar.
lingkar
Lingkar.
di atas
Di atas.
pagar.
Pagar. Ular. Melingkar. Lingkar. Utas. Pagar. Close enough, right?
Try again. Ular melingkar-lingkar di atas pagar.
Wait, what's the first word?
Ular
Ular. Melingkar.
di atas
Di atas pagar. Huh?
pagar.
Pagar. Ular.
Ular.
I can't roll the R. Ular melingkar
Di atas.
di atas pagar. Di atas. Ular melingkar di atas pagar. Pagar.
Pagala.
Pagar.
Okay, let's try.
Okay.
Satu sate,
Satu sate,
7 tusuk.
7 tusuk.
Satu sate, 7 tusuk. Say that like fast.
Satu sate, 7 tusuk.
Satu sate, 7 tusuk.
Satu sate,
7 tusuk.
7 tusuk.
Yeah.
Satu sate, 7 tusuk. Satu sate, 7 tusuk. Yeah. Satu sate, 7 tusuk. Satu sate, 7 tusuk. Close enough.
Good job.
What does it mean?
We forgot like numbers. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Should we do numbers? You know how to count. 1 to 10.
All
We're
right.
gonna end with numbers.
Alright, let's do it.
On your own, Wheezy. Ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! Buttons! And on that note, our video is done.
Thank you for watching. Let us know what other phrase in Indonesian that Audrey should teach me next. Or if you want to see more of Audrey learning Vietnamese, put it in the comment below. And thank you for watching.
We'll see you guys next time.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.